Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to enable or disable different constellations on the S631 using the WebUI. So this is particularly useful if you're using something like one of the older PDL radios where they actually, the message isn't big enough to support all the information that the 631 can send, so you have to turn off some of these constellations to make sure the radio can actually work. On the newer radios, this isn't an issue like the Harksons, this doesn't matter. But for the older radios like the Pacific Crest ADLs, this is a necessary step you're going to need to take. What I'm going to do to begin here is I've just got my WebUI open and I've logged into it. And if you need to know how to do that, I'll just link to a video in the top right corner. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to the settings there in the top right corner. And then you can see here that I'm in the working mode tab. And you can see that I've got a number of different constellations here that I can enable or disable. So I got GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, Galileo all enabled right now. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to disable Beidou and Galileo, and then I'm going to hit save. And this is now, if you look at my satellite count on the left there, you can see in a second here, once those settings go through and are saved to the device, the GPS and GLONASS satellites are the only two constellations remaining. And that is all for today's video. If you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.